G'day guys, Dean Sylvester from MoTackle Outdoors here. As you can tell, it's beanie and hoodie weather, which means one thing, Murray cod on top water. The Balista Tremor has been getting a lot of attention from Murray cod and anglers lately, and with great reason. So the Balista Tremor is 200 mils long, 8 inches, and weighs 97 grams. But what sets this apart from other top water lures? Interchangeable bibs. There are 3 different types of bibs setups you can run on the Tremor, but the key component in the Tremor is the rechargeable, built-in vibration setup in this lure. By simply connecting USB leads to the tow point and the front hook, you can recharge this lure. Then as soon as this thing gets wet and sits on top of the water, so when you're winding, it gets the action of whether you've got a wake diving or the paddler. But when you pause, this thing will sit there and vibrate nicely, which is what's going to mean the difference between getting a tentative fish and getting that good strike. In the pack comes these little USB charging leads. I'm just going to plug this into a little solar powered companion power pack. So the black wire goes on your front treble, red wire on your nose point, and that's now charging. You see a little red light in his back. So after recharge, the Tremor has 40 hours of battery life. So if you're going to do a river trip, something like that, you got plenty of time. And remember, the 40 hours is only when this thing is wet. So when it's wet and it's vibrating, that's when your hours start ticking over. So it's not going to be wasting battery at night time. It's not going to be wasting battery sitting on your deck during the day if you're not fishing top water. So I'll run you through the bib setup. There's a wake bib like this one, the paddler, and then a diving bib. Changing these is really, really simple. So the wake bib and the diving bib, simply pull them off, pull that one off, push this one in place. Now you got a diving setup. So the paddler setup is a little bit different. You need to take off the fast attach clip. You got the fork there, and then you got the bit for the tow point. So push that in, lines up over your tow point. Put your clip back on. And now you're on a paddler. So if you're looking for something a little bit different, next time you're chasing Murray cod on top water, check out the Balista Tremor. If you want more information on the Balista Tremor or any of the Balista range, check out our website, motackle.com.au.